Welcome back. It was a story that shocked the entire country, the murder of innocent children in Nithari. Now, a year later, and after many charge sheets filed, where are the investigations going and what do the victims' family have to say? NDTV's Poonam Agarwal takes us through the legal twists and turns in this case.
A year ago, the entire nation came to terms with the shocking truth. A truth that was unearthed from this bungalow and the drain next to it in Nithari, on the outskirts of Delhi. Bones and skulls of children who were missing for almost 2 years were found here. The owner of the bungalow, Muninder Singh Pandher, and his domestic help were arrested from the place. Out of 19 charge sheets, the CBI has already filed 11 charge sheets in the court, but has charged Pandher with lighter charges. But the court, not completely relying on CBI's investigation, has framed rape and murder case against Pandher. So what really went wrong?
A year ago, Nandlal was shocked to learn that somewhere in this heap, dug out from behind this house of horrors, lay the remains of his 23-year-old daughter Payal. He was also the man who lodged the first FIR for the Nithari killings. When his statement was first recorded in court, he said, "I was present when the police first quizzed Muninder Singh Pandher. He had taken the police to an area beside this house from where the big knife was recovered by the police. But 4 months later, he did a U-turn, saying his earlier statements were given under pressure."
मुझे ही फंसाने के चक्कर में थे कि मैं ही उसके मन मुताबिक बयान दे दूं और मैं ही कल सीबीआई मुझे फंसा दे। तो मैं बाद में सारे कागजात देखता हुआ मैंने देखा कि ये तो खालिद खान के कहने से तो मैंने गलत बयान दिया, तो मैं वो बयान को थोड़ा सा बयान उसमें जैसे आरी का वो मैंने चेंज किया।
But his lawyer denies the charge. A case of perjury has been filed against Nandlal. Families of other victims allege Nandlal has been bought over.
पीछे हमारा भी पीछे कोई दलाल घूर रहा है, किसी रुपया देकर किसी को जिसका खरीदने का वाला वो खरीद लिया था।
If Nandlal's U-turn came as a shocker, the way the CBI went about the case is even more surprising. The agency charged Pandher with lighter charges like immoral trafficking and corruption, though his help, Surinder Kohli, was booked for rape and murder. CBI says there was no concrete evidence to nail Pandher. What the agency tried to overlook was Pandher's confession given to the police, in which he said, "When I could not get a girl at night, I could not sleep. I would then ask Surinder to make some arrangement. He would lure any boy or girl he found near the house. This way, I raped several small girls and boys in the last year or a year and a half, for which I am sorry. Whoever I raped, I got killed by Surinder so that the secret was never out. Please forgive me." Lawyers for the victims say the CBI did not produce this confession till the court asked for it, based on a petition filed by a social organization. Later, the court ordered that rape and murder charges be filed against Pandher in 4 cases. Normally, a statement given to the police isn't admissible as evidence in the court, but lawyers say it can be if backed by other relevant things.
यदि वो इकबालिया बयान जो उसकी निशानदेही पर यदि कोई रिकवरी होती है उससे मैच कर जाता है तो डेफिनेटली सेक्शन 27 होता है एविडेंस एक्ट का, उसमें वो बहुत मेजर डेवलपमेंट होता है और उसको काटा जाना किसी भी प्रकार से संभव नहीं है, चाहे वो बरामदगी पुलिस के सामने ही क्यों ना हुई हो।
What's far more surprising is that the CBI presented bills of hotels and petrol pumps outside Delhi to prove Pandher wasn't present in Nithari when the murders took place. But the agency did not produce enough witnesses in court which would corroborate this. The big question now is, though Pandher has been charged with rape and murder in 4 cases, what happens to the remaining 15 cases? Experts say the public prosecutor should have assisted in getting statements of the victim's family recorded in the court. But in this case, the families filed a petition in court seeking permission to testify. The next hearing in the case is expected in January, and charges of rape and murder could be slammed on Pandher in another case. With Dinesh Mansera, Poonam Agarwal for NDTV.